Hey there, and welcome to this explainer. Okay, if you're a Spire Energy customer, listen up. Because there is one piece of information that is literally the master key to your entire utility experience. Seriously, it's your gateway to streamlined bill payments, effortless customer support, and just total control over your natural gas usage. Yep, we're talking about finding your Spire Energy account number.
Now, if you're staring at a screen right now completely frustrated because you can't seem to track this number down, hey, take a deep breath. You are absolutely not alone here. It's incredibly common to lose track of it, especially when these utility platforms go through system migrations, enforce security credential resets, or transition during corporate acquisitions. It happens all the time. But don't worry, we are going to fix that right now.
Okay, let's dive into this, because knowing how to locate this number is absolutely crucial for managing your Spire Energy services effectively. This single string of digits, it's the key that unlocks the whole shebang in your digital utility portal. We're talking streamlined bill payments, getting set up on autopay so you literally never miss a due date, and accessing seamless customer support. Without it, you're functionally locked out of your own online dashboard.
So here is our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll cover the importance of the account number, locating offline paper bills, online registration and recovery, debunking mobile app misconceptions, managing your account online, and finally, some security tips and a quick disclaimer.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the importance of the account number. So in Spire's massive system, which, by the way, provides natural gas to over 1.7 million consumers across Missouri, Alabama, and Mississippi, your account number really isn't just some random string of digits. In the regulated utility sector, it's the foundational data key. It literally links your physical metering infrastructure, like the actual physical gas meters sitting outside your house or business, directly to your financial ledgers and digital portals. It's the primary identifier making sure the exact amount of gas you use perfectly matches the bill you pay.
Moving right along to Section 2, locating offline paper bills.
Before we get lost in the digital weeds here, let's look at the absolute easiest baseline solution. Honestly, a quick glance at a physical document is by far the fastest way to build confidence and grab that number. You can easily find your account number printed really prominently right there on your recent monthly Spire paper bill. Or, if you've already opted into paperless billing, just search your email inbox for your recent Spire e-bill. The account number is going to be displayed right at the top of those statements.
Next up, Section 3, online registration and recovery. Of course, I know a lot of us don't keep paper bills lying around. Or maybe you're a brand new customer setting up your profile for the very first time. Well, here is your step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to head over to the Spire Energy dashboard by going to myaccount.spireenergy.com and clicking on the registration link. Now, normally, the standard process asks for your gas account number and the last part of your social security number. But what if you don't know your account number? Well, you can use Spire's brilliant pre-login online account lookup utility. This tool is great. It uses offline demographic and geographic data to verify your identity before you even log in. You just enter some basic personal info and the system securely recovers and renders your account number right there on the screen. From there, you just pop in your email, set a password, and click the confirmation link they send to your inbox. Easy.
Which brings us to Section 4, debunking mobile app misconceptions.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is a massive, totally unexpected twist regarding mobile access. This is an area where a ton of users get completely and understandably confused. When looking for mobile instructions, a lot of folks head straight to Apple's App Store or Google Play. But searching for Spire actually creates a trap. You might see an app called Spire, but that is a completely separate telecommunications provider. Or you might see Spire Companion, but that's actually an enterprise-grade physical asset tool for commercial businesses. You might even see the Alabama Power app, which kind of makes sense if you live in Alabama, but that is strictly an electric utility, so your gas account details cannot be managed there. So what's the actual solution? Simply open up your smartphone's mobile-optimized web browser and navigate directly to myaccount.spireenergy.com.
And I really want to emphasize this heavily. There is absolutely no public consumer mobile app for Spire Energy. Zero. Now, while Spire does maintain a mobile app, its deployment is strictly restricted to internal operations. It's basically a tool exclusively for their field technicians and safety personnel to log operational incidents and claims. So do yourself a massive favor and just skip the App Store entirely to save yourself a headache.
All right, moving into Section 5, managing your account online.
Let's pivot to the positive empowerment phase here. You've bypassed the App Store traps, you've recovered your account number, and you are signed in. So, what now? Well, once you're in, you can enroll in autopay for totally worry-free monthly payments deducted straight from your bank. You can switch to paperless billing to save a few trees. You can set up budget billing, which is just fantastic for predictable payments. Essentially, you pay a bit more in the summer when you use less gas and less in the winter when your usage spikes. You can also chart your month-by-month gas consumption, make arrangements to start, stop, or transfer your service, and even receive helpful text alerts. And this brilliantly illustrates how recovering that single account number grants you total control over your energy spending and management.
Finally, we've reached Section 6, Security Tips and Disclaimer.
Before we finish up today, I want to make sure you know exactly how to keep this newfound digital access completely safe. Remember what we discussed at the very beginning. Your account links your physical metering to your actual, real-world financial ledgers. Because this portal holds your payment methods and your demographic data, employing a really strong, unique password for the Spire portal is absolutely crucial. Make sure you're practicing safe digital hygiene by never sharing your login details and always be cautious of unexpected requests for payment.
We also need to quickly cover this formalized professional disclaimer. While this explainer provides accurate steps and practical solutions based on current source material, minor interface changes or process updates can always occur over time. So always verify details through official sources or contact Spire Energy directly for the most current information. If you ever need direct support, remember you can always call their official regional numbers, like 800-582-1234 if you happen to live in Western Missouri.
What we have covered the whole shebang, everything from offline document retrieval to bypassing those tricky App Store traps, all the way to leveraging your online dashboard. You are now fully empowered to manage your utility experience. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Now that you have the master key, what digital tool will you use first to take control of your Spire Energy account? Thanks so much for exploring this topic with me, and happy navigating.